In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Strava. If you need to protect your privacy, stop unwanted interactions, or simply tidy up. Who can see your activity? Blocking is a straightforward way to take control. When you block someone on Strava, they can't follow you, view your activities that aren't set to only you, or comment on your posts. They also won't be notified that you blocked them, so the process stays discreet. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account you use regularly. This process works similarly on both iOS and Android, and the layout may look slightly different depending on your app version, but the steps are the same. Next, tap the search icon near the top of the screen. It usually looks like a small magnifying glass. This takes you to a page where you can look up athletes, clubs, or routes. In the search bar, type the name of the person you want to block. If multiple profiles appear, take a moment to verify you found the right one by checking their profile photo, location, or mutual followers if visible. It's important to select the correct person so you're applying the block to the intended profile. Once you've identified the correct athlete, tap to open their profile. On their profile page, look for the three dots menu. This is the options menu and is typically in the top right corner. Tap those three dots, and in the menu that appears, choose Block This Athlete. Strava will show a brief explanation of what blocking does so you can confirm you're making the right choice. To finish, confirm by tapping Block Athlete. The block takes effect immediately. You won't receive notifications from this person, and they won't be able to interact with you in ways that are restricted by blocking. If at any point you change your mind, you can return to their profile, open the same three dots menu, and choose to unblock. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind for clarity. Blocking is different from removing a follower. Removing a follower stops them from following you at that moment, but they might be able to follow you again depending on your settings. Blocking prevents them from following or engaging with you unless you unblock them. Also, consider reviewing your overall privacy controls in Strava to fine-tune who can see your activities by default. That's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can manage your experience and keep your Strava feed comfortable and secure.